Kenya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I received a book that I ordered in the mail. It's sort of like a journal, and I wanted to do like sort of an unboxing on camera with you guys. And don't worry, that's just my P.O. box listed. So if you want to send me something and you can see the address, go right ahead. Here is my journal. Got my scissors. So I kept seeing this ad on my Instagram feed. So if you own a business, do the promotions on Instagram and Facebook, because obviously they do work, because I was curious enough to click on her profile after seeing it so many times and order one. So this is Reclaim Piece by Piece Volume 1, the signature edition. This is the breakup journal. This was $24.97 and shipping was $5.70. I suggest that you sign up for, if you are interested in getting this journal, I suggest that you sign up for her email list and just look out for when she has sales. She has 2 other journals that I want to get, but this one was pretty pricey, so I just wanted to start out with this one, just to see how I would like it. And it is 2019. This is the year to get your mind right, to get your body right, to get your spirit right. So I want to work on myself more, work on the inner me more. I do have a couple of books. I have One Day My Soul Just Opened Up by Iyanla Vanzant. I like that one. Let me go grab it for you guys. So as I was saying, if you're looking for some self-help books, I recommend One Day My Soul Just Opened Up by Iyanla Vanzant. And this is like a 40 days, 40 nights type of a read. And this one I have Living Through the Meantime, Learning to Break the Patterns of the Past and Begin the Healing Process. So I got this one too. And it is also sort of like a journal. And I've had this for some years. And I have like all my sticky notes in here. I might have to revisit this book right here as well. But I got this. I'm excited to start journaling. And the young lady who wrote it, her name is Tatiana Jerome, or you can go to her Instagram at Set and Soul. I'm gonna put it here to order your copy. And she has like journals for everything you can think of, surviving a breakup, books you can use before you get married, if you have had a miscarriage, if you lost someone to cancer. Like, she has all types of journals for different occasions on her website. And so this is all about like your past relationship and just getting over that relationship and healing. So I'm excited to get into this journal. I will let you guys know in like another video further down the line how this worked out for me. I recommend everybody journaling. As you know from my previous videos, I always say that writing saved my life. I am a book writer, and being able to just create characters around real life situations, or being able to really speak how I feel through the characters, really was a way for me to heal and to just move on and push on. Because I just want to say this, in my childhood I did suffer a lot of traumas. A lot of things happened to me, a lot of bad things happened to me, a lot of things I never really told my parents about, because I don't know, they just didn't care. My parents were both just living their lives, and when I had an issue, it's like, I'm being a problem. And I've had some issues as a child, and how black families, I can only speak for black families because I'm black, when things go on in your families, nobody likes to talk about it. So it's like, how can you heal if you never got to talk about it? And if you bring it up, it's like, okay, it's like, they blame you for starting things. You're bringing up old stuff. You need to get over it. You need to move on. But it's like, how could you do that if you never got a chance to, heal? You never, by speaking about things and talking about things, it's a way to heal. So I found my refuge with journaling and just writing short stories, and as an adult turning that into writing novels and books. So I suggest anybody, if you're going through anything and you don't have anybody to talk to, you don't have a strong support system, you don't have any resources, you can't afford to go to a therapist, your friends are sick of hearing about your problems, I suggest that you start journaling. And if you don't know where to begin, I suggest like with one of these types of books, where they ask you the questions and you just fill in all of your answers to yourself. So that is that, and this is how I am getting my mind right for 2019. So I suggest that you get your mind right too. And although this book is pink, I'm sure that a man could use this too if he is trying to get over a past breakup. Don't let the color deceive you. And no, this isn't sponsored. I'm just really into self-help, getting your mind right, and just pushing forward and moving forward in life. And you know, I'm always the person that is encouraging people to, you know, not give up and to just keep it going. And I feel like that's another reason why I started my YouTube channel, because people will always call me. I was always helping people, and so this is just a way for me to help more people that I don't know, and people who call me up that actually know me. I could just refer them to videos like these so that they could you know, just watch and just, you know, see what I say or get my opinion on the subject or whatever. So this says volume 1, so I'm looking forward to her future volumes as well. And this is She Is Black. This is, you know, a small black business if you care about things like that. And like I said, you can go to her Instagram, Sets in Soul, if you are interested in, you know, journaling, you know, and this type of, you know, therapy and releasing. I call it releasing because when I'm writing, I'm just like, I'm purging. I'm just so if you want to purge, you want to release in a healthy way without, you know, holding it in. You don't want to bottle things up. You have to get it out. I suggest writing it out. Write it out. Write it out. So that's all I have to say about that. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will create a playlist. I'm going to call it like life hacks, self-improvement, or self-help, you know, videos where I'm just talking about different ways where you can improve and elevate your life, and tips and things of that nature. You know, I am 36 years old. I do have some life experience. So I think that I am equipped and knowledgeable enough to give you young ladies, young men, older ladies, older men, people in my age group, some advice, and I've been through such a lot. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next YouTube video. Toodles!